Hi, hello. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak here today. I'm Yusaku Katada, CEO of Restoration Vision and ophthalmologist. Today, I would like to talk to you about our latest technology about gene therapy, which makes blind patients to be able to see the world again. Please close your eyes. Can you imagine what a patient feels like losing their sight? It is said that vision occupies 80% of the information that people obtain from the outside. Their quality of life suffers considerably with blindness. Retinitis pigmentosa is a serious retinal degenerative eye disease losing photoreceptors, which cause loss of vision to the blindness. And it is designated as an intractable eye disease and also an rare disease. Nevertheless, it occupies the second leading cause of blindness. The economic cost is estimated over $11 billion per year. And currently, no effective treatment available, and 70% of patients go blind. As an ophthalmologist, including me, cannot do anything with such disease but just watching the patient go blind. So as an ophthalmologist, I'm struggling with this current limitation in ophthalmology, and I'm trying to overcome this problem. So our solution for that is visual restoration optogenetic gene therapy. Our product will restore vision the blind patient to significantly improve their quality of life and activities of daily living. And our product will restore vision permanently by a single simple intravitreal injection. And our product will restore vision even in a dim and dark environment, such as nighttime environment, using our characteristics of our chimeric rhodopsin. So let me introduce how we can restore vision with this our chimeric rhodopsin. The keyword is that our core technology is chimeric rhodopsin. So you can see this screen because your rhodopsin is sensing this screens, right? And please look at this table. There are two types of rhodopsin: animal rhodopsin and microbial rhodopsin. We hybridize these two types of rhodopsin to create chimeric rhodopsin that is optimized for visual restoration. Our chimeric rhodopsin can work along with high sensitivity, so it overcame the weaknesses of the conventional rhodopsins. So let me introduce how we can restore vision with this chimeric rhodopsin. It is a simple injection into the eyeball, then we deliver our drugs to the retina. In the LP patient, the photoreceptor is gone like this, but interneuron that connects to the brain, the visual cortex, it survived until the end stage. And we deliver our chimeric rhodopsin gene to the interneuron that is originally not photoreceptive neuron, but as the chimeric rhodopsin expressed, their interneuron becomes photoreceptive, and then the patient can be able to sense the light again. So let me introduce one experimental data with mice. In their behavioral test, when the mice sense the light, the healthy mice B6 hide quickly into the dark place. On the other hand, the Audi one, the blind mice, don't do such behavior. And then the treated mice become significantly hide into the dark place like healthy mice as a result of visual restoration. And they detect the light, they can detect even a dim light. So let me show our market size. There are about 2 million patients in global who are suffering from RP, and our treatment is targeting the developed country because their medical system and regulatory system for gene therapy is well established. And among them, 400,000 patients with severe RP is our target. In the same way, 70,000 is our target in Japan. By multiplying this by the drug price, $119,000 per eye, we can expect up to $2.5 billion in Japan and $4 billion in global. So here is competitor analysis map. There are 4 major competitors in the blue rectangle. They are all using microbial rhodopsin. So compared to them, our chimeric rhodopsin has higher sensitivity and functionally superior. In addition, artificial retina and IPS require big invasive surgery. So compared to them, our chimeric rhodopsin gene therapy is simpler than these. This is the development roadmap. Our highest priority is delivering this drug to the patient as soon as possible. So for that purpose, M&A exit to global pharma is our first ideal scenario. So according to the result of our BD survey, clinical POC is a key result for the alliance. So our strategy is to get POC fastest and alliance with major pharma promptly. So now we are on preclinical stage and preparing rapidly for the first in-human study in Japan, targeting initiation in 2022. So now we are planning to raise $2 plus $3 million in Series A and B funding for that. So, and there is also a possibility of getting a conditional approval very early in Japan. To realize this project, we have created an optimal team using our strong university network. I am an ophthalmologist and in charge of this LP specialty outpatient clinic, and Hikaru is finance and IP specialist. And we have also have CMC and clinical development expert team familiar with global development and regulatory affairs. Finally, we have a great faith in our technology, and it will meet the needs of the blind patient who want to sense the light again. So now so our mission is delivering this drug to the patient rapidly. So now we are currently searching for expert in this field of regulatory science to run global development plan and partners who can share our mission and passion. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Thank you very much.